morning. Today is actually March 3rd. Today is Wednesday. Man, I forget what day it is. Now, we're going to go back to this little technique right here. Hold on, excuse me. My kids are getting up. Yesterday, if you notice, I said if it comes up and hits here and falls back down. So it does. Climbs all the way up, use this as a ceiling, and it falls. Now I got in it, and I noticed this one was turning green here. So I went ahead and put my stop loss here. I had it up here. I moved it down to here. So no matter what, I get in a free trade. And then it come back up and hit me. I seen this too late. I got in it, or I seen this too late. I got back in it and then probably rode down to about right in here because that long candle here. But now it's going up. But here's another. It's like the ceiling. It's come up above this line. So this line has been support before. So if you notice back here, it's been support, support, support. So if you want to take a small profit, it may not go, may not go above this either. So you might be, and let me look. Let's do it this way. Let's go to monthly. So price has gone above this. Okay. Sometimes you can look in them, and if price has never been that high, why would it go back this high again? So that being said, it can go higher. So since we're right here, if you got in yesterday and noticed it started hitting here, you could hit it as a sell limit and ride it up. But right now you'd be probably negative because your broker is going to get it. So what I'm going to do today, since this is acting like a floor and it's been supported before, I'm going to go back probably right in. Maybe I'll just go right in here just to make sure it goes above it, because I don't want to play games with it all day. So let's just go above it a little bit. So I don't get in the trade, that's fine. If I get in the trade, that's fine. So I'm going to put there. So now I'm going to put a sell limit. So basically, I want it to come above this line and continue. So to make sure, I will put a stop loss here. So if it does go above it, it's going to log me in. If it comes back down and goes down below this, I'll probably put a stop loss here to get back. I put one here below the line. And then I'm probably going to take profit right in here. So I'll gain all of this momentum. So yesterday I made money off this little trade here. Not a lot, but let's say. So let's do the calculation. I think I've been doing this for the last 7 days, not including today. So last 17 days, including sitting here, making the videos, downloading the videos, uploading the videos, editing them, all that, probably 2 hours a day. More likely, not even that. So I'm just going to say 2 hours. 2 times 7 equals what? It's 14 hours I put into this. Where else can you make $123 an hour? You follow me? That's just off this one trade. I'm looking over here at the camera because I'm looking at me over here and the cameras are here. But anyways, this is what I'm saying. So with the other trades and everything, this number could be way up. Don't sit in front of the computer all day. It's not worth it because you'll stress yourself out. It's patience. I'm going to put it in here. Patience. Set it. Forget it. And move on. So put pending order, buy limit. Let me do this. I gotta share my screen so I can see. So I'll put take price at. Well, any reason why I'm doing this, I'll make sure they both match. 282.49. Now I'm gonna put my stop loss probably around right just a little bit below the line. I'm gonna do 28. I'm gonna take my profit. I'm gonna put it right above the other one. The other one right halfway between the wick where the other one ended. 28.809. 28. And I can pick a date when I want it to expire. So if I don't want it to run, you know, for a couple of days or whatever, I can take it out. But oh man, did I mess up? What's that right there? Oh, I know what I did wrong. A little halfway between these. I know I did wrong. I put a bit of buy limit. I meant buy. But I may have set this back to where I had this one. And if you, let me show you this trick. If you go here and click on it, it tells you exactly where it's what lottery, and you can actually change it. So I'm gonna go 1.278. I might just go 8 because it's just what it is. It's close. I don't go too tight because it may just whip right across it. Because I ran out of money. Also, see if you do this on the charts. Double click it real quick. It does this. So if I just type in 514, just for say, it moves my. See, it moved it right to that number. So now I'll place the order. There we go. So once it goes above this and keeps going, it will do it. And if it triggers here, it will stop. I can set an expiration date like 2 days from now, but I want to see if it goes through it. So let's see, that's on a, let's try daily. See, we're on an upward trend in daily. So it may do it. It's not looking good because it's been down below that line for quite a few days. See, it's hit over here in support. So that's not looking too promising. So I wouldn't give that an 80% chance it's going to do that. I'd probably give it a 60% chance it may do it. Let's see, here's another thing I'm worried about. He may hit it and then go back down. So that's not good. So let me go back over here. I'm sorry, I'm looking back. It has come up, so I'm just going to leave it and see what she does. Just for the fact. It may move my take profit a little bit closer. So let's move the take profit a little bit closer. Because I'd rather make money, make a little money, and not lose none. So we're just going to pull it down. Let's put it right here. And I'll watch it throughout the day. So let's go back over here. So the week is going to show it's going back down. But I don't understand a trade a week. Day trader. That's what we do. Day trade, not week trades. So here's a butterfly. Butterfly is one of the hardest, I mean not the hardest, but it is one of the most active things. So once it forms, patterns, once it forms, it does, but like the rest of them, I think 80% of the time they do it. Butterfly usually forms, it's usually 90% to 95% accurate. It's going to go do what it does. So that is another warning, but hopefully it won't even trigger my profit margin. Because it may just come up and continue going back down, which is fine. So we're going to move this. And when you do this, oops, you can always bring it up or you can always just move it down. 28. So there. No, not Canada, Great Britain. Where's the Great Britain at? Okay, we don't have it over here. We'll drag it to this one. Let's drag it to this one. Oh, I got it on the other chart. That's right, the main ones. So it's got motivation the last hours, but this one, the curve, it's kind of got me a little worried now. But it's fine because, like I said, if it does not go over here and hit my take profit or hit me in the trade, I'm not losing no money. I'm just there. I mean, it'll just go back down, and I'll go here and delete all this. So that's the good thing. So another one I want to check. Let's see. I always want to check the daily. Well, like I said, it should be on my, because I think I had it set on here. Yeah, the 40-50 is not crossed. So that's good. That's one thing bad about this. It takes it forever to get off the screen. Well, this is it. This is the hourly one, which we done looked at. I'll go to days. So days looks like it's got more. It's kind of wanted to do it, but now it's got straight up motivation. So that's a good sign. So we're going to stay in it, ride it out. Like I said, if you don't touch it, it's gone. If it touches it, it looks like it's going to go down. I may change it, move the take profit down, or just go ahead and log out when it's in the trade. So, and how you can do that, you have to say, you can do it here. It's just easier to do it with a screen and ain't got all this stuff on it. So, so if you're in a trade and it forms a candle, it goes above this and then forms a candle, one of the candles I talked about, you can actually just click on and it brings it up. I can delete this order, or I can modify it, or I can, once you get in it, you can just hit it, take profit, and you're out. So that's how you do that. So I'll keep an eye on it all day, or not all day, but periodically during the day. So I'm gonna give it another couple hours and see what it's gonna do. Then I'll keep an eye on it throughout the day. Like I said, you can download this on your phone, and it's got the same settings and everything on the phone. So, but otherwise, I've been on here 20 minutes. It's longer than what I wanted to be on here. So there you go. So happy day. I think I said yesterday, have a good weekend. So this ain't weekend today. It's Wednesday today. So other than that, we're gonna get off and be good. I gotta get going and get out of here.